So this is the wheel well of the Ford Maverick. And if you take a look way down in here, if you do any driving at all, this little pocket will fill up with debris. It's actually closed on the bottom, so stuff just falls in there and it'll pile up. And if you do any amount of driving, it'll be full of pine cones and gravel. And the bad thing about this hole is the bottom actually opens up right into the inside of the metal rocker panel. It's kind of hard to see, but this right here, that's the hollow inside of this panel. That's going to be a rust problem if you fill it with dirt and sand and salt and whatnot. So what I have here is a 3D printed piece of plastic I've made up that's shaped exactly to fit into the space. It's just got a wedge behind the, this is called the air deflector, and this is the rocker panel trim. And it just slides behind there and fills up that space so that debris doesn't get in there. Doesn't block any of the drains. There's still, all the holes down there still drain out. It just keeps that pocket from filling up with debris.